What's popping, y'all? So, girl, it's the day after Christmas, right? And I got just a couple errands to run. So, first off, I gotta go to Old Navy. I placed an order, 3 orders actually. The first 2 didn't go through, so I tried it a third time. But to my surprise, all 3 of the orders had went through. Pretty much got 3 of everything, right? So I kept one of these. I had only did 2 orders for the red turtleneck, and I didn't put it in my last order. Green turtleneck, I kept one of the green turtlenecks, so that's what I wanted. All in all, I pretty much got 3 separate orders when it was just supposed to be 1 order. The website was just acting funny. It was near the holidays, I guess. So I'm gonna try to return that, girl. And then I want to go to the mall and get a new phone case. Because, girl, look at this. That's just, wear and tear. Just from holding it and places I put it and different things like that. So I wanted to get another one of these. And the tempered glass on my screen has cracked. So I'm going to go try to get that done. Spend a little money on these gift cards. Okay, period. So wearing the sweater that my best friend got me for Christmas yesterday. Thank you. She knows my style. I love her. This is an old scarf I put on because it's kind of nippy, And then jeans from Bloom Cheek and Bloom Chic, and my Uggs that I got for Poshmark for $70. Okay, period.
Do this one separately. 1922 is going back to your PayPal.
Okay.
$10.67 is going back to your PayPal. Sorry, we had to do.
Oh yeah.
I thought that was redundant.
That's fine. No problem.
Thank you.
So
have a great day.
You too.
You go break again.
They don't have any good ones.
It was really dim the other day. I can see better. How should we get these lights to go super green?
Glass. So I stopped in there and got some Chinese food. Yes. So I got the 2 sides and 2 meats. So I got the mixed vegetables and the lo mein, and then the black pepper chicken and ginger chicken. So yeah, girl, well, I feel like I got a whole new phone, girl. So I got the black case. With the OtterBox, it comes with like the little snap piece. I like snappy. So I got the snap, piece on my phone. And it'd be hard to take off, so I don't even bother taking it off. And then this is, the little outer shell part. So I got it all black. Y'all seen I went to Old Navy. She pretty much gave me like 3, because she had to ring it up by the way it was ordered. So like I said, I did 3 separate orders, so she had to ring up the stuff that was, in the order. So that's really all the errands for today. Eat this Chinese on the way home. I gotta go to work, so I get home, get ready for work, and maybe I'll close my eyes for a few minutes, girl. And that's it for today. Get us some seafood, yeah. Can I have water with no ice and lemon?
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me do the shrimp and snow crab combo. And then I don't want any sauce in the bag, but I want to do a mild garlic butter on the side if possible.
Okay, sauce on the side?
Yes.
And the shrimp, you want the hand on or hand off?
Let me do head on.
Hand on, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me do 3 boiled eggs.
Yeah, the 3 eggs.
Yes. And then do y'all have lobster tail?
Yeah, we have.
Okay, just I'll add 1 lobster tail.
You want to add 1 lobster tail?
Yes.
Okay.
And that'll be all. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
We're going to take poppers.
Okay. Okay. This stuff smells fishy. Yes, it is. Oh, dang it. We got the apron on. Yummy. I like my shrimp with the head on, snow crab, eggs, lobster tail. And I don't really do lobster, but I wanted to try it one time for the one time. Get my mild garlic butter. So I got it on the side because I don't really like it all over my seafood because it'd be hurting my stomach for real. So I like to control how much I eat of it. So yeah, let's take a potato. But I got it. Too long. Is it just me? Or y'all like the shrimp with the head on it too? This one I like to do. And then suck on the head. Period. The head just has so much flavor. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and try the lobster. Okay, they split it for me already. Oh, she's spiky, girl. Ooh. Not a fan of lobster because it's rubbery. So let's see how they cook it. Especially with the sauce. I feel like anything gonna be good with the sauce. Hello, how are you? Tiffany? Fudge brownies. Let me get 2 of those, and then can I get like a cup of ice cream, like a small cup? And let me get a small water with no ice.
With no ice?
Right, yes ma'am. And that'll be all.
Alright, it's me $4.62.
Okay, I have a gift card if that'll work. So I'm here at Chick-fil-A getting some dessert. But I had a taste for something like chocolatey and like ooey and then some ice cream. Like, you know what I mean? I'm on that type of vibe tonight. Alright, y'all. So, I made it home. Tell me why I got cookies. I could have sworn I said brownies. Chopped it up. Oh, I didn't expect it to be that heavy. Girl, she about got me, girl. Yes. Alright, y'all. So, I'm about to enjoy this. About to watch Emily in Paris. I love the show. Season 3 just dropped on the 22nd. So we about to get into it. Yeah. All right, y'all. That is it for tonight. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, see ya.